How to unblock someone or a user on Rednote app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you through on how you can unblock someone on Rednote application. So if you're also confused on how you can do that, then in this video we are going to show you exactly how you can do it. So if you have blocked anyone on Rednote, then these are the processes you may follow. Head over to the Me tab at the bottom right corner of the screen after you are logged into your account, and you will be reaching to your profile page. Once you reach here, you're going to simply tap on this gear icon beside your profile. Just go ahead and tap on it and look for privacy settings here. Just go ahead and tap on it and you will be led to the privacy settings. And once you reach here, you're going to scroll up a bit until you're able to find this blocked user section, which is right below the recommended people I know. So you can just go ahead and tap on it and you will be finding the users that you've blocked right here, the list of the users that you blocked. So if you want to unblock them, you're going to simply tap on this profile, their profile page. You can go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it, you will be led to their page. So in order to unblock them, you can easily find this unblock option right here in their profile. You're just going to go ahead and tap on it. And there you go. Now they have been unblocked just like that. So that is it. You can also follow up the same process in order to unblock someone on Rednote application as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.